Hi there guys and girls, good evening to each every one of you. I'm here once again in cinemas area. I'm gonna watch a movie. The title is A Working Man. I supposed to watch, I'm thinking of a Snow White, Captain America, and Lot. But since it's already started and I had to go back to my clients, so there's no choice but to have A Working Man. But this is a very good movie. It's a Jason Statham. You know Jason Statham when he kicks some ass with the villains, and then proven. Okay, so here we are. Hi. Can you do a sponsor?
Sponsor
Mm.
about
I'm gonna watch a movie and then it's for free.
for free?
Yeah. Or have a discount.
Discount, sir.
Pwede. How would it be?
If you are senior.
So
senior
I'm still
citizen.
young, 18.
PWD, sir.
I'm strong.
So wala,
So,
sir.
wala. It's okay.
What movie do you want, sir?
Ano nga ba yun? A Working Man.
A Working Man. Oh, wala pa pong nanonood, sir.
So,
Pwede siyang hindi po matuloy. Cut screen po siya if ever. Minimum po natin is per
no,
person.
why is it that when I watched the other night of The Amateur, we only had 2. So, oh.
That's the policy for now, sir.
So I still have to pay pa rin.
Yes,
Just in case.
if okay lang sa inyo, i-refund ko natin later
Mm.
if hindi po matuloy.
So guys and gals, before we start, please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Mary Grace, ticket seller in Chet.
Yes. Shout out.
Shout out to my family. Yeah, hi friends.
Family name?
Habalingo Aninyo. Yes.
From what
Negros, Occidental.
country, no?
Yes, from Philippines. Yeah. Select your seat, sir.
Eye level.
I'll level letter J. Center or
Center. I want center. Yeah, the other one, yeah.
Nine.
Okay. Thank you, Lord, for all the wonderful blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that has surpassed. Shout out to my mother in Bicol, Fea Bordo, and to my childhood friend Helen Carreta of San Roque, Legazpi City. To all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces, thank you so much to every one of you.
Sir, change mo
Thank you.
Thank you.
And
Cinema
to-
number 17.
Okay. Thank you. And to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces, thank you so much to every one of you. To all my Facebook viewers also, hi. To all my 10 lovely countries, thank you. So, I'm afraid that I may not be able to watch because we only have 2 patrons for this night. Anyway, but this is it. So here, A Working Man 17. Bye for now.